So I'm starting off drawing the curves, but really you can actually just draw a box. I'm going to add in the measurements for that, and then you can add in the curves after to make this a lot easier.
Trust.
They tryna put man on quarantine. Call me Quentin Quarantino. My life a movie like Robert De Niro. Yeah, my thunder gets the Neros. I want the sides, I want the pheno, ayy. I don't want talk about zeros, ayy. I just want talk about, you know. They tryna put man on quarantine. Call me Quentin Quarantino. My life a movie like Robert De Niro. Yeah, my thunder gets the Neros. I want the sides, I want the pheno, ayy. I don't want talk about zeros, ayy. I just want talk about, you know.
I don't wanna talk about nothing. I ain't talking for no zeros. Man, still whooping that pirates. How there's a virus. Let's go to ski on a D-Lo. I ain't bluffing. All of a sudden she a hero. You already know I ain't cuffing. Something in the air I ain't touching. I ain't bucking no swear I'm alive. I gotta stay alive.
Alright, so the next step is the head. Here all you have to do is extend these two lines, and then yeah, just follow what I do here.
Let's talk about suffering. Let's talk about someone up in quarantine.
Yes sir, so here you already know what's going on. We're gonna rub out all the parts we don't need.
Movie like Robert De Niro. Yeah, my thunder gets the Neros. I want the sides, I want the pheno, ayy. I don't want talk about zeros, ayy. I just want talk about, you know. They tryna put man on quarantine. Call me Quentin Quarantino. My life a movie like Robert De Niro. Yeah, my thunder gets the Neros. I want the sides, I want the pheno, ayy.
And just like that, it's a wrap. So now we're moving on to the head, which is pretty much just a circle. So I mean, I'm just gonna break it down into different shapes, different circles, different lines, blah blah blah, just to make it easier for you guys to draw. Yes sirski.
Planet, yeah. Get a boy, just land it.
Yeah, talk about missing your honey. They had a in weed, yeah. Come man want me out. Man is like blood and lead, yeah. Ain't gonna cry, but it's my birthright. Let's talk about suffering. Let's talk about someone up in quarantine.
They tryna put man on quarantine. Call me Quentin Quarantino.
So all I'm doing here is drawing rectangles, and then I'm putting curves on the inside just so you guys know where everything needs to go basically.
Talk about zeros,
so this smaller circle has the exact same guidelines as the bigger one, so do exactly the same thing. On the edges, just make sure like they're roughly the same size. Basically just try to get like the circle on point.
The sides, I want the pheno, ayy. I don't want talk about zeros, ayy. I just want talk about, you know.
Quarantine.
I want the pheno, ayy. I want the pheno, ayy.
Quarantine.
So for this final shape for the eyes, this sort of oval, I don't even know what it is. I mark out where the edges are going to be roughly. You can use a ruler to measure it out, but as I said, it's always best to try and do it by eye if you really want to improve on your drawing. So yeah, man.
She's fine, yeah, oh yeah, oh, she looking like she need a ride. Yes, my charms, I ain't whipping yet, but I do this thing, I don't know who you are, still take it. Go when I bust and I bust it down, rest still bust down, cause I look it off, I'm a hooligan, I don't know who you are. Smell like a God. Everything on the guy. Everything straight with a pack of ribbons. See, everything straight with a pack of ribbons. She's fine. She need a ride. Whipping yeah, but I did this thing, I really was. Don't think it girl. And I bust it down, still bust out, cause I look it up on a video.
So usually we go over the outline straight away with a bold marker, but this outline here is like super thick. So I've drawn it out with the fine line. What I've realized is it's actually 6 strokes of the bold marker to get the thickness. So you can just draw around this with a pencil or a fine line just to get your outline even. Or you can do what I did here. I just went over the line 6 times and then that was roughly the thickness.
Hey, t'es censé être une fille sage qui essaie de changer d'image. Je reconnais plus ton visage, il disparaît comme un mirage. Je vois que ça m'a fait du mal. Nos bas on l'a fait pour du sale. Je me suis jamais mis de voile. On dirait qu'apparemment t'as mis ça. T'es censé être une fille sage, t'essaies de changer d'image. Je reconnais plus ton visage, il disparaît comme un mirage. Je crois que ça t'a fait du mal. À la base on l'a fait pour du sale. Je me suis jamais mis de voile. On dirait qu'apparemment t'as mis ça. Mais je sais plus quitter. Je vois ton regard se vider. Tes yeux tentent de m'éviter. Ils ne disent plus la vérité. Tu fais genre mais t'es piqué. T'as envie de changer d'idée. Tu rends les choses compliquées.
Alright, so it's that time again. It's a wrap. So yeah, man, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And this is part 1. I'm going to be doing a part 2 of the human versions of like the Baby Milo series. That's going to be out within the next couple of days. Hey, you know we're going crazy with these videos. Like, you know I'm back with the work rate. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, all of that. And I'm going to see you in the next video.